batty man and Holness. What you do? And Jamaicans alone, Jamaicans and the people across the world are sending to local food.
Tensions are high and our people are suffering. Let's shift our focus to lobbying our government for more support. Disaster assistance contact number for Jamaica. We have ODPEN, Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management. Their purpose is National Disaster Coordination, Shelter, Rescue and Relief. Their contact number is 876-906-9674, option number 5, or 876-954-9077, option number 8. The JCF, emergency, block roads, crime, etc. Emergency number is 119, or non-emergency number is 876-927-7681, option number 3. JDF, evacuation, airlift, high-risk rescue. Their number is 876-926-8121, option number 9. Ministry of Labor and Security, cash grants, welfare assistance, home repair help. Their number is 876-922-8000 or 876-948-0091. NWA, National Works Agency. Their responsibility is road clearance, landslides, bridges, block roads. Their number is 876-926-3110 or 888-429-5692. Jamaica Red Cross, food, relief boxes, tarpaulins, medical supplies. Their contact number is 876-906-2464 or 876-318-4051. Food for the poor, housing, materials and food. 876-984-5005. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you save this video for future reference. ADRA Jamaica, relief supplies, clothing and food. Their contact number is 876-924-1061. Salvation Army of Jamaica, emergency food, shelter and clothing. We have 876-948-1289. RADA, farm damage assessments, rural support. 876-977-1158, option 62. NWC, National Water Commission, water outages, contamination, burst pipe, etc. Their number is 888-225-5692. Make sure you save this video and share it. Jamaica Fire Brigade, rescue collapsed structures, fallen trees. Their emergency number is 110 or 876-922-2121. Office of the Prime Minister. This is for escalation when communities can't access help. 876-927-9941, option number 3. So here you go. You can reach people in the Prime Minister's office directly by calling 876-927-9941, option 3. Now call up there and cuss them out. Articulate yourself properly so you can get assistance. Ministry of Local Government, Shelter, Municipal Response, Parish Coordination. Their number is 876-618-9360. So here we're moving on to the parish disaster offices. This is also very important. So for Westmoreland, the number is 876-957-4997. For St. Elizabeth, the numbers are 876-965-6229 or 876-965-6579. For Manchester, the number is 876-962-2278. So remember, These numbers are 876, so people home and abroad can actually call. Yeah, that is the reason why it's listed in the 876. So if you have family members who have reached out to you and you live overseas, you can call them and make sure them bring help to your family member who may not have regular charges on their phone. Them phone can't charge as often as they would like. So here we go, Manchester again. The number is 876-962-2278. For Anova, the number is 876-956-3268. For St. James, the number is 876-952-5500. For Clarendon, the number is 876-986-2216. So listen, viral videos may not in most cases reach to who it needs to reach to because you don't have government officials on TikTok or on YouTube or wherever on social media looking to see where people need help from viral videos. How you actually solve these problems in remote areas where nobody can go. If you don't have cell phone services, call these numbers for assistance. And for those of you who are actually visiting these communities and making videos, you can actually help by calling these numbers and asking for assistance. I know we all want to document it, yeah, which is totally fine. Document it, post the videos. If you're posting the videos, let's say for example on TikTok, tag the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister have a group of people working on his social media account